Hiya crafters, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I have a quick little product to share with you and a giveaway. So my friend Jessica Lynn, she's of Jessica Lynn Originals, sent me this, and I'm so stoked to share it with you because I know so many of you are interested in stamps to put on the back of your card, whether it's a signature or your logo or just saying something fun. And I have a source, a small woman-owned business in the US to share with you. So Jessica Lynn Original obviously does custom stamps, but she also does photopolymer stamps, digital stamps, and there's other stuff in her shop. She is an amazing artist. She does the drawings herself. You got to check it out. She has some of the cutest stamps of all different dog breeds. So I will link her shop in the video description box below. But what's super special about this is the shop has been open for 20 years. It's such an achievement, so amazing. And she's given me a $20 gift card to her shop to share with one of you. So I will link those giveaway details as well in the video description box. If you expand and scroll down, you'll find those details on how to get in on that giveaway. So thank you so much, Jessica, for making this for me and sending it to me, and also for the giveaway. But I want to show you this product. So cool. Like I said, if something isn't featured on her website, reach out to her, because I wasn't sure which stamp or which pre-inked stamp or self-inking stamp would apply in this case. But I will link the one that would apply here if you want to upload your own custom design. But if you're not sure, reach out to her. She'll get back to you so quick and let you know the best option. But she'll work with you and help you create a perfect custom stamp for the back of your card. Now, I'm super stoked about this because, for one, it's self-inking. So if you haven't used one of these, it kind of flips. It's got the ink pad in there. I don't even remember how many thousands of times you can use these, but she was so sweet, and she also sent me the re-inker. So there's different colors other than purple. There's black and green, and I don't remember the other ones, but I'm really excited to get a purple one. And this was just kind of a little abbreviated version of my logo. So I'm so pleased that she was able to work with me on this. Just going to show you how easily this works. Such a great size for the back of the card. Yeah, so I wanted to share her with you. I met Jessica originally several years back. She invited me to be on her YouTube show called Behind the Card, and I was just getting started card making. I don't even remember how in the world she even discovered me, but she was so sweet and so gracious, and she had me on her show and kind of asked me a bunch of questions, and it's been great to get to know her over the years. So if you're in the market for a custom stamp, I greatly encourage you to go to Jessica and also check out all the other amazing stuff in her shop. So like I said, I'll link the giveaway stuff below. Be sure to check her out. If you reach out, let her know Amy's Wares sent you. I would love for her to know that, you know, my people are supporting her. That would be amazing. So thank you so much for spending time with me, and I'll catch you next time.